Hello and welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Hotmail account. Sorry for that background noise, there's a little storm going outside, but I wanted to make a video to help you guys. That's why I'm over here making the video. And basically Hotmail is now known as Outlook. So Hotmail was bought by Microsoft and now it's known as Outlook. So if you guys used to have Hotmail account on your past, now it's known as Outlook. You don't have to worry about it. Your account is not going to be deleted just because the company changed. Your account information is going to be same, just like you need to log in into Outlook now rather than Hotmail. So let me show you the process on how you guys can recover your Hotmail account if you forgot its password. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, search for Hotmail and click on where it says Outlook free personal email. Don't worry about it. Once you're over here, click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, wait for some time. Over here, enter your Outlook's email or your Hotmail's email and click on next. And on the next step, click on forgot your password because we don't remember it and we want to recover it. And click on email. Once you click on email, you need to enter your email over here. So I'm going to enter my email and click on get code. Now, once you write your email over here, a verification code is going to be sent to your email. So you got to check that. Now, let me check it. Once you enter your code, you need to click on next. So just go to your email, check the code, enter it over here. And once the code is correct, it's going to take you to this page over here. You can enter your new password. After entering your password, you can enter the password again to confirm it. Click on next and your password will be changed, and that's how you guys can recover your Hotmail account, also known as Outlook. All right, so hope you guys were able to understand, and if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step for future videos just like this. And it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.